Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is one of the learning days where we will be doing science for 15 minutes or less. Probably, but it's very exciting. I'm not going to spend a lot on the intro. Click that thumbs up, turn notifications on, hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on to all so you can get my new notification videos. So yeah, now the intro is like 46. But anywho, comment down below if you'd like this for your children, because I quite do. Even though I don't have any children, because I am an 8-year-old woman. So we are going to be starting, since I just found out that you can hear the computer on a computer. So wow. So we're going to go to the vocabulary, and we're going to science, and we will go to Earth and space. And I'm going to go, today we are going to be doing grades K-5, and it's called The Sun. And it will have a video, vocab cards, vocab game, read, and lyrical lab. And we'll be, sorry guys, but we will be not doing the lyrical lab. Bye. Okay, not bye. We are going to be starting it. Sadly, you cannot see it, but you can probably hear it well enough coming up, and it's on 100%, so you can hear it. And it's on, I'll probably do original speed because I don't want it to go slow. Okay, here it goes. 3, 2, 1.
That's a little loud, baby.
So there is this one. Turn it down. So there is the song for it. Round of applause. So vocabulary cards: energy, gas, gravity, orbit, photosynthesis, plasma, star, and sun. So energy is a noun, the ability to work, have power, and produce change. She needs a lot of energy to move those heavy buckets of water. A state of matter that is not liquid or solid. Gas is a noun. Substance that has its form, that it has no fixed shape or volume. Hydro and carbon dioxide are examples. The liquid turns into gas with no farther shape or volume. Gravity. Now, the force of our planet that pulls things towards the center of Earth, that gravity is a noun. That's what makes things fall. When you let go of them, all planets and stars have this force. Orbit, noun. The circular path something like a moon or a planet follows it as it travels around something else. Photosynthesis, noun. A process green plants use to turn water and carbon dioxide into food using energy from the sunlight. I absolutely love this. Plasma, noun. A state of matter similar to a gas but with different characters because the electrons are more loose than gases. This gives it special electricity and magnetic properties.
Okay, it's time for you to go home.
Next is star. Now, glowing object in the space that can be seen in night and made is burning as gas in plasma. No. Sorry. Things. Notification keep on popping up and it's annoying. Sun, now the star that the Earth moves around. It gives the Earth heat and light. Water cycle, now the process of water that's passing through Earth's atmosphere, land and ocean. It includes condensation, precipitation, and evaporation. Weather, now the condition in a particular place that contains time, such as temperature, rain, etc. Next is vocab game, the sun. We will not be doing the vocab game. Read the passage below to learn more about the topics in the video. The sun is a star just like the stars you see at night. It's the closest star to the Earth. Like all stars, the sun is a giant burning spear. The sun is made mostly of element hydrogen. Hydrogen is a very light gas in the core of the sun. Hydrogen what's ATOMS?
What?
ATOMS.
Atoms.
Get sucked together, forming helium gas. ATOMS again. Atoms. And releasing energy. The sun is over 5,000 degrees Celsius, which is very, very hot. The heat of the sun breaks down at the atoms of hydrogen and helium, forming charged particles. This means that the sun is actually made of substance called plasma, not gas. Very smart. The sun is enormous compared to the Earth. It is 1.3 million times the size of our planet. The sun creates a lot of gravity because it's so big. Gravity is a force that brings things together. The sun's gravity holds all 8 planets and their orbits as they circle around it. Energy and the light from the sun travels to us. This is a very long journey. The sun is the closest star to the Earth, but it's still 93 million miles away. Luckily, the light is very speedy, even through the light most very fast. It takes light from the sun around 8 minutes to reach us here on Earth. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to spin around on its what's AXIS?
What?
What's AXIS?
Axis.
Axis. Okay, then I said it right. Axis. That means that half of the Earth faces towards the sun at a time. On the half of it's facing the sun, it is daytime. On the half that it's facing away from the sun, it is nighttime. It appears to be through the sun rises in the east and set of the west. This is because the Earth is spinning on its axis, not because the sun is traveling around the Earth. The Earth is spinning on its axis every day. It is almost moves around the orbits of the sun. One orbit takes about 365 days. On the top half of the Earth is called the northern hemisphere. The bottom half is called the southern hemisphere because Earth's axis is titled either the northern or the southern hemisphere, points towards the sun as it orbits. The sun shines directly at that hemisphere that is the point pointing towards it. This direct sunlight creates summer. The sun shines incredibly on that hemisphere of the Earth that it's pointing away from it. This is creates winter. The sun's energy powers many cycles on Earth. For example, it is an important part of the water cycle. When the sun shines on bodies of water like the ocean and lakes, the heat causes water to evaporate and it turns into clouds. When the clouds are full, they release water back to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. The sun affects water patterns in another ways too. The sun's heat causes air masses to warm up, which makes them move. When warm air masses runs into cold clouds air masses, we experience wind and rain. The sun is also at the start of the food chain. Plants turn the sun energy into food through a process called photosynthesis. Some animals get energy from eating plants. Other animals include humans get energy from eating plants and animals. So even though it goes through a source first, all the energy you get from food, it comes from the sun. Life on Earth wouldn't exist without the sun, but the sun can still be dangerous. Too much time in the sun's light can burn your skin and hurt your eyes. Make sure you protect yourself when you're out in the sun. One way to do this is by wearing sunglasses, which protects your eyes from the sun's rays. Another thing is you can do to wear sunscreen, which acts like a shield between your skin and the sun. Sunscreen bottles come marked with the letter SPF and a number SPF stands for sun protection factor. The larger the number, the more sun protection the sunscreen gives. It is at 14. So that's all for today. That was a little mini lesson. So bye. Have a good day. Subscribe. Thumbs up, and turn on the notification letter. Bye. I'm a little over time. we could not do the vocab game. Bye.